Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and here's another quick tip. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use crimp beads and crimp covers as metal beads in your designs. Now I have my little beads here, so these are my crimp beads, and these are my crimp covers. Now if you look along my design here, you'll notice that I have used both in the design as metal beads. Now the fun thing about this is if you look over here, you'll notice that I alternated them, but these ones look like beads, and these ones look like beads, but this one here, that's actually the crimp cover that's covering up my crimp. But I even use those little crimp beads here to look like little silver sort of seed beads. So those are kind of integrated into the design. So really, it's just a few beads to create the entire piece. Now, I want to show you how I created these little beads here. So if you take your crimp cover, and if you go ahead and place it into a pair of chain nose pliers here, and we want it to face towards the plier, just like that. And what you can do is we're going to squeeze really gently, and you'll see it come together there, but we don't want to close it fully. So then we're just going to take it, and we're just going to rotate it because we want it to be a nice round bead. So close a little bit more, rotate, close a little bit more, rotate, close a little bit more. And we want that seam to come together as a bead. Now you can keep giving it a little squeeze here and there. And I am really gently squeezing it. It's a nice soft metal, but what you get is you get this little bead here that just looks like it has little ridges that go all around the side. So now we can use that in our design as a little metal bead. And again, these are just these little crimp beads here that we're using along our design there as well. But of course, these are also going to serve underneath our crimp cover right here as our crimp tube. So it's going to secure our bracelet as well. So it's just a little tip if you wanted to, if you already have these and you know that you're going to use them in your design, you can integrate them into your design for a nice, easy piece. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. You can get all of these supplies and see even more quick tips and tutorials by heading over to Beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.